Today we will be testing the BlackPika TrendTrader indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the BlackPika TrendTrader indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 98 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. I'll put a thumbnail of that video up on screen right now and a link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. You can just click on that thumbnail. It'll take you straight to the video. You can watch that video on the strategy, the best strategy that we've tested so far. We've also tested a total of 937 indicators with 388 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 110 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the BlackPika TrendTrader indicator. The source video says that this is a $1 million Tradingview indicator strategy, and so obviously we're going to put that to the test to see what we can get out of it. The setup on this is going to be relatively simple. We're looking for the buy and sell tags. So when we get a green buy tag, that's going to be a signal to go long. When we get a maroon sell tag, that's going to be a signal to go short. And so not much to it other than that. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we picked up was a sell signal right here. Unfortunately, we immediately switched to a buy signal, and then we immediately switched to a sell signal. And so we got stopped out on the first two signals there, then picked up the sell signal, which made a nice push to the downside, got us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so we picked up a buy signal here. We get stopped out on that one as we pick up a sell signal a couple candles later, and then immediately switch back to a buy signal here and stop us out on that sell. But this buy signal does make a nice push to the upside, which does get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick it up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a Tradingview indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get this scrolled back here, about there. Alright, let's go ahead and count these out and see what we get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have 14 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 winning trades. So that's not going to meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for. Significantly lower, as a matter of fact. Definitely not a $1 million indicator with a $1 million strategy. And so the biggest issue with this indicator that I can see is that it has these clusters of trades. And so you can see cluster of trades here, cluster of trades here, kind of a cluster, kind of a cluster, kind of a cluster type deal. And so it appears that what's happening is that it will kind of throw a sell signal, buy signal, sell signal before it finally figures out what direction it actually wants to go in, and then kind of finds a right direction. But the problem with that is that you take a few losing trades before you finally pick up one winning trade. And so that can be super problematic, and all in all, not a very good win rate on this one. So this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.